Hi, Miriam. I am going to go through your homework. Actually, you did very well. Just let me know if you don't understand with this one here. You answered no. The principal diagnosis here is the D61.3 is the idiopathic aplastic anemia. With that one, it is documented that they came in with it. So this should be yes. They came in with a complaint of fatigue. The reason for the fatigue was because they have the aplastic anemia. Let's go down here to the other one you got incorrect. Okay, so the correct answer here, let me pull my code book over, is E04.2 is the non-toxic multinodular. So basically what you coded, the unspecified. The reason we don't want to go with unspecified is because we do know that it's multinodular. So if you have any questions on that one, let me know. But otherwise, great job.